Star? Star? Kiss star? Good boy. How about the circle? Uh-oh. Where'd you go? How about the circle? Circle? No, not me. The circle. Kiss the circle? Circle, circle. Oh. Circle. Circle. Triangle? Triangle. Yes, triangle. Gotta put it back in there, though. Square? Dexter, get back here. No, don't be playing with the square. Square, yes. Rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Rectangle. Rectangle. Okay. Oh, look out. Cross. 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 Get the kiss across. Uh-oh, what's that? Cross? You say cross? Oh, it goes right there. Okay. How about circle? Not me, the circle. 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 Okay. And funny. What's this? Funny, funny, funny. It's a funny one. Can you say funny one? Funny one. I don't know what it is. Triangle. 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 Are you coming back? Are you all done? Are you kissing the phone? Hello, you're a good boy. Kisses? Kisses? Yourself. Kisses. Triangle kisses. Cross. No, kiss across. What are you looking at? Good boy. Dexter, triangle. Triangle. Hey, get back here. How about this one? Uh-oh. It's a clover. Are you going to show me a square? Square? Square.